Hey, have you guys seen this video? Watch this.
Can you unlock your iPhone? I want to show it to you.
Bang.
Okay, we're going to go into the alarms. You're going to start a new one, and I want you to scroll and just keep scrolling on the hour side
I saw this.
of the apps. Keep going. Keep
Going.
Just keep going as fast as you can. This is riveting. There it is, and it stops. It is not a circle. It is just a really, really long list of numbers, 1 through 12, in the alarm app.
Why is it so concerning? This is held together
collapse.
with duct tape.
Wow.
That's really funny.
Yeah.
All right, let's head over into Samsung's clock. Let's go into the alarm, and let's give this one a shot. Maybe this is why their watches aren't round. They don't believe in circles. Okay, I'm tired. Let's get a clicker going. And that is how you do it, Apple.